How to make a free website for affiliate marketing, Google Site Affiliate Marketing. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you guys the easy step-by-step process on how you can create your free website for your affiliate marketing business. So this video is perfect if you are planning to do affiliate marketing and you don't want to spend anything. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, to create a website, we will be using the Google site. So simply go to their website at sites.google.com, and this is their homepage. As you can see here, I have my recent site. This is the previous site that I created before using this free website builder platform. So here you have two options to start. First, you can create your website from scratch. So just click this blank. And if you like to start with template, then you can go ahead and click this template gallery to see the other template here that you can make use of. So if you don't like the template, then we can make use of the first option to create a website from scratch. So just click this blank, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can now create your own website. So this is this simple template here that you can customize. So on your right side, you can insert your text box, your images, your embed code, drive, and also you have your content block here. So you can just easily drag and drop this one and it will be added here in your website. So you just need to select if what kind of blocks you like to add in your website. So for example, let me just go ahead and click this one to automatically added here in our website. And then you can easily drag this one and add it here if you like to. And as you can see here, this one has been added here. Then if you want to delete this, then you have your delete icon here. Just click on it and it will be deleted from your website. So first, let's go ahead and add some title to our website. So first, let me add it here. So let's just say our website is all about affordable character t-shirt. Let me correct the spelling here. So this is our website all about, and I will go ahead and also change it here. This is our homepage. So this is what your visitors can see first when they visit your website. And then I will just go ahead and highlight this one, and I can make this one bold. And if I like to, I can also make it italic or underline, or I can also add a text color. So here I can also change the font style of this text over here. So let me just go ahead and look for a good font style. So let me make use of this one and let's see if it's good. Let me check it here. All right, it doesn't look good at all. But what we can do here is that we can also go to our themes. And then we have different themes here that we can select from to design our website. So for example, I will go ahead and choose this Diplomat. And it looks good, but let me just go ahead and try some other themes here. All right, so maybe I will choose this one, the Aristotle. I like this one. And by the way, guys, you can also add your own logo here. So if you have your own logo, then just click on it. And then here you can upload your own logo. So I don't have any logo for now, so I will just skip this part. Let me just close it. And also over here, you can add your own image here. Just click image and then you can upload your own photos. So we have the image here. Let me go ahead and upload that one. All right, so we added our image here. And then the next thing that we can do here is now add our information here. For example, we can add the information here about us or about our company. Depends on you. But let me just go ahead and add some text over here in our website. And here I will go ahead and add the text here. For example, best sale items. So we can add all the best sales items here that we have. And also you can align this one to center, or if you like to, you can align it back to the left or you can also make it to the right. It depends on you guys and how you design your website. And then I will just go ahead and make it bold. And then let me just go ahead and also change the font style of this text. So let's try this one. All right, and then what we can do here, as you can see, this is a normal text. We can change this one. We can make it as our title for this one to be bigger. So something like that. Let me just go ahead and also add some color. So I can make it black, or I can also add different color here if I like to. But let me just go ahead and keep this black one. And here I can add all the items here that is best sale. So for example, I will be adding an image. So I have an image here. So let me just go ahead and add this one. So let me just go ahead and expand the size here for us to see the whole t-shirt, maybe something like that. So assuming that we have affiliate marketing program partner with Amazon, then you can make use of your product from Amazon and upload it here, and then go back to Amazon and you can copy and paste the information here, like the title and also the description here. You can copy and paste it. And what you can do here next is, once you're done adding the title and adding the description, assuming that we are done with that, so you have two options here on how you can add your affiliate link. So for example, going here, so we have this link. For example, this is our affiliate link over here. So I will just go ahead and click on this, and over here I can insert a link. So I can insert a link and apply it. So when my potential customer click on this image, they will be redirected to this Amazon page where they can buy the product, and when they use my affiliate link, then I will be earning commission. So the second thing that you can do here is that you can add a button. So just click add button, and you can name the button, just for example, buy this now, and here you can paste your link and then insert. And as you can see here, you have your button. You can easily move this one over here. So you can add anything you like in your home page. So this is your home page. So you can also add another page here for your product page, for example. So just go to pages, and over here you have your home, and then you have your add icon here to add a new page. So let's go ahead and name our page here all products. And as you can see here, we have our all products menu here at the top, as you can see, and everyone can click this. And from here, you can design your all product page as well. And again, this website builder is for free. So over here is where you can also preview your website. So let's go ahead and go to our home. So I will click the home, and then let's go ahead and check our preview. So this is what our website look like. So yes, we have this one. And then we also have all our products here, and we can see our product list over here. And you can also change the view to phone view, for example. So you have this phone view, and you have your home over here. So let me just go ahead and close this one. So once you are done with your design, and if you think that you are ready to publish your website design, then just go ahead and click this publish button. And over here, you just need to enter your web address name. Also here you can manage if who can view your site. So once done, I will go ahead and click publish. Then it means that this website will be available online and anyone can visit this website. So I hope that you learned something today, and if you have any question, just comment down below. And thank you so much for your time watching this video.